got locked out of your Gmail, or maybe you think your account has been hacked? Don't panic, there's a step-by-step way to get it back. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked or locked Gmail account. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. If you forgot your password, simply open a web browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. Google does not provide live support for password recovery, and you have to go through the process of keying in your email address. Then if you forgot your password, click on try another way and answer some questions to confirm it's your account. Answer the questions as best as you can. If possible, use a computer, phone or tablet where you frequently sign in, or use the same browser like Chrome or Safari that you usually do. Another tip is to be in a location where you usually sign in, like at home or at work. If you forgot your email that you used to sign in, go to accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery to find your username. You need to know a phone number assigned to the email address or the recovery email address for the account. You also need to key in the full name on your account. Then, follow the instructions to confirm it's your account. If keyed in correctly, you'll find a list of usernames that match your account. Lastly, if you still cannot recover your Gmail account due to other issues, go to this Google link. Here you will have a list of problems you are facing, and you can follow the instructions for help getting back into your account. If you are using the Gmail app on your phone, you can simply tap on the 3 lines menu icon on the top left, scroll all the way down and tap on Help. You can search for the relevant help topics here, or you can post to the help community for other people to assist you with your problems. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and